Please mute your audios, everyone.
sound.
Those who are talking in Malayalam. Is this your Malayalam class right now?
No.
Why I think Malayalam also. We
I
can-
just joined.
Okay. Prithvi, are you there in the class?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning. Prithvi,
Yes, ma'am.
you have to switch on your video, my dear. Manjima, Izan, Tanvi, please switch on your videos. Prithvi also, switch on your video. Siddhi, please mute the audio, my dear. Yeah, that's like Chris. Okay, now I can see him. Jenica, Jenica is there. Avantika, Tanvi, you have to stay unmute on your videos. If I don't see you, I'll mark you as absent. Okay? Yes, Jenica,
Present, ma'am.
present. Who's saying? Haida Fatima, you have to sit properly in the class. Okay? Even though you are at home, but sit properly. How do you sit in the class actually when you are in the school? Okay? The same manner you have to sit down properly. Where is Hridvi? Is this Hridvi's sister? Oh, okay, Hridvi. Okay, fine. Jenica Jomi is not there. Okay, she's there. What about Maria Binu? Where's Maria? Okay, Maria is there. See, you will not switch off your videos. Once you enter the class, once I admit you in my class, you have to stay there in the class. You can't just switch off the video and run around here and there. Okay, your voice is not the thing that is required in the class. Your presence is required. You have to be there. You cannot just switch off. Okay. Last time, does anybody remember what we studied?
Noun.
Study
about noun.
Okay.
Ma'am, about noun.
Noun. The topic was parts of
Noun.
speech. Topic was parts of speech.
Parts of sentence.
Yeah, parts of speech. Parts of speech, and I told you there are 8 parts of speech are there. Among that, noun was the one which we started, right? So, did we wrote any notes in the English grammar notebooks?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. So a few of you have written.
Ma'am.
Okay. Last time was our first class. So a few children were ready with the notebooks. Few didn't bring the notebooks. So what happened is only few children have taken the notes. So today what I'll do is I'll begin from the first session, what we had. Now from now onwards, you will be writing whatever notes I'm giving you in the class in your notebooks. Okay. Now let me clear one more thing. Few children were asking, should we write in the notebook? Should we write in the paper? See, whichever is available to you at your home. It can be a notebook, English grammar. If you're having English grammar notebook, well and good, because then all the notes will be in one place. And if you are writing in the paper, you have to you have to be careful about keeping all the grammar papers together in one file. You cannot mix match with other subjects notes. You have to make a separate file for your English grammar only. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anybody who's having a doubt about anything?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
We can put labels of the subject.
Sorry, can you say again?
The file, we can put the names of subjects.
Yeah, you can put like that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was not there in the last class, so you have taken any notes?
I have just taken the notes in the class setup. Okay. I've
Okay,
not,
ma'am.
few children had written in the notes. Few children were not ready to write the notes. So what happened is I told them that next class, that will be the today's class. I'll again revise whatever we learned last time. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So then you don't have to worry. Today, whatever I am making them write, you can write with that. So the previous
Okay,
work is
ma'am.
not a problem. It's not an issue. So where is Adidev Anil? Yes, Adidev. What is that big board in front of you? Unmute yourself.
I am taking paper to write
I've taken.
paper.
That is the paper. Why the paper is only that I can only see the paper.
Ma'am,
Not
it's
you.
the file.
Yeah, I can see that is the file, but he's saying that is the paper.
Inside all, no, not inside only the paper.
Okay, so you can have to keep that file on the table, not like this. If you keep like this, I'll not be.
No.
Okay, you have to put like this so that I can see your face. Okay? Okay then. I want to see you. Otherwise, how will I know that Adidev is there or not? Okay then. So we have Unni. Where is Unni Maya? Unni Maya, can you please unmute yourself? Unni Maya has gone. Wait. Unni Maya entered the class again. I think she's left. Um, where's Unni Maya? Okay, I can't see Unni Maya anywhere. So she had entered the meeting, but again I think she's left. So okay, fine. Let Unni Maya come again. So last time we did about the parts of speech. So can anybody recall and tell how many parts of speech we had discussion in the class? Okay, just wait. Wait. Okay. Let me be very clear with the instructions. When you have to answer, you have to raise your hand, and then I'll ask you one by one. Okay, that will be much better. Otherwise, everybody will speak together. It will be a clash of sound. Nobody will be able to understand. Even I won't be able to understand. Okay, so just raise your hand when you want to answer. Okay. I have Aditi there. Aditi, can you tell me?
Ma'am, there are 8 parts of speech
Yes.
and we only discussed nouns.
Okay, discuss nouns. But can you recall and tell me the names of those 8 parts of speech?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Noun,
Yeah.
pronoun,
Hmm?
adjective,
Yes.
verbs,
Yes.
adverbs,
Yes.
preposition,
Preposition. Preposition. Yeah.
conjunction,
Yes.
and interjection.
And interjection. Now, does everybody remember what she said? So we are going to give a round applause to her. Give a big applause to her. Good. Aditi, good. Very good. So Aditi is very fluent with the parts of speech. That's good. So last time we did noun and few students were not there in the class. Few were there. Few had books. Few of them did handbooks. So it's not an issue today. Now everybody's ready with the notebook. Just raise your hand. Those who are ready with the notes. notebook? Manas and Ojas. Okay. What about Tanvi? Notebook is there with you? Okay. Aryan? I have told you to maintain one English grammar notebook. What happens in the rough notebook is that when you mix match all the notes together and when your exams are coming, then you'll be finding out. So it's better to have one English grammar notebook your own so that all the notes are together in one place. Okay, so today if you have got rough notebook, well and fine, no problem. After that, try to write down in one single notebook in English grammar or the papers that have been provided to you. But as I said before, the papers have to be filed properly in one place. Don't mismatch with other subjects. Okay, so
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, my dear.
in the rule paper? WhatsApp?
May I know who is that?
Can we
WhatsApp.
write in paper?
You can write in the paper. You can write in the paper.
My hand is broken.
Who's that hand broken?
Devarsh.
Devash, you can, I'll be sending the notes in the WhatsApp. Okay? Just try to keep it that and keep revising whatever notes are being given to you. Okay? Don't lose it. The rest of students can note down the notes. Few students were not, I think, thorough with the notes there. So can we start the class today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear. May I know who is this? Only Maya, please switch on your
Excuse
video,
me,
my dear.
ma'am.
Yes, my dear. May I? Yes.
Ma'am, if
Yeah, Sarah, tell me.
particular book for English grammar, we should write the notes in that.
Sarah, can you see again? Say.
Ma'am, if we are using a for English grammar, we should write the notes in that itself.
Yes. Try to maintain one proper place for writing English grammar notes.
Okay,
What
ma'am.
happens is when you mismatch with other things, subjects, what happen? Maybe at times you'll find, at times you won't find. So that is the reason. Keep in one notebook, or if you're writing in the papers, also file it up together, staple up together, so that you don't lose one paper. Or sometimes it happens. No, it's not necessary that every time you get. If you're keeping in one place, well and good. Always keep your grammar workbook and your notes together. Then there are no ways of losing them. Okay, so I think it will be better if you just maintain a small notebook, thin notebook for English grammar, because we are writing all the exercises in our workbook, but only the like introductions of the contents we will be writing in the notes only, note section only. Okay.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
So I'll share screen with you. Wait. So last time we were learning about the first parts of speech. What we did is noun. You have already done noun in many of your smaller classes in first, second, third, and all. We have already done, no? But still, like whenever I was asking last time, many of the children were not able to answer what is noun. So we'll start up with the nouns. Then we'll go on. If we have time today, we'll classify nouns also today. Okay. So just put the date on the left side of your page. What is the date today, children?
Ma'am,
17.
17. So write down 17 June
6.
6, 21. And then write down the first chapter. The first chapter in your workbook is, it's written worksheet number 1. So write down like that same way. Worksheet number 1. Yes, my dear. Who's this?
Ma'am, we are writing right.
Sorry.
Ma'am, we are writing notes.
You are writing in the notebook, my dear. Can you see my screen, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now again, as I said earlier,
Ma'am,
you
I
have
have
to.
written down.
Okay, you have a paper sheet, right?
That's
Oh,
no, ma'am. We are writing the notes.
yes, you are writing the notes, dear. You don't want to write any notes?
That Ma'am, in this
Okay.
method, you take last time.
Okay, actually, if you are having notes, few students are not having notes with them. Okay, few children were not in their house also. Some went to their relatives, so the notes are not there with them. Okay, let's start the class. Okay, now write down the date.
Ma'am, on the look paper.
Don't ask too many doubts unnecessarily. You are interrupting the class.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Sir.
Carry on with the class.
So there are 8 parts of speech in English grammar. There are 8 parts of speech in English grammar. So as we started the class earlier, we tried to learn the names of 8 parts. So we'll write down the 8 parts first, okay? The names of 8 parts of speech. So the first one is noun. Second one is pronoun. Third one is verb. Fourth one is adverb. Fifth one is adjective. Sixth one is preposition. Seventh one is conjunction. I'll just write down properly. This is spelling. Yes. When you write down the spellings, children, please write properly, okay? How do we write conjunction? Conjunction. Conjunction. Then we have interjection. Interjection. J-E-C-T-I-O-N. Interjection. So I've written the 8 parts of speech. Just copy down this. And please be careful when you write down the spellings. If you have any doubts, you can ask me.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Yes?
Can you scroll down?
Scroll down.
I want to see the first one.
Okay, wait.
Mom, we can see the first one.
Okay, she has not written. Maybe that's why.
No, ma'am, we can see the first one.
Riza, you can't see the first one?
No, ma'am.
Okay, what you have written there? How much you have written? Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, she is
Ma'am,
telling she
I
can't see
don't
the
write.
heading.
Ma'am, I
It
only
is,
write.
the name of the title, the heading is in your book, in your workbook. Worksheet
Okay, ma'am.
number 1, parts of speech. It's there in your book.
Ma'am, I don't have books, so I'm writing in paper.
Okay, okay, okay. You can write down.
Ma'am, I have written the 8 parts of speech. Parts of speech I have written in my notebook in last class.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
last class I wrote till
Riza,
now.
can you see now?
Yeah, ma'am,
Place and
we wrote
anything.
this last class.
Everything.
Last class.
last
Okay, okay.
Noun and parts of speech.
Except there are 8 parts of speech in English grammar. We didn't like that, but the rest we wrote.
Excuse me, ma'am. I was not
dear.
there in the last class. I was having a
Okay, okay.
network issue.
Okay, now listen very carefully. There were few students in that class, those who did not had the books with them. Few children did not had notes with them. And there were children like they were telling me, ma'am, I am not in my home. Many of them had the confusion of writing where to write. In fact, I already cleared up that you have to write down in the notebook or the papers that have been provided to you. I've told them, but at that time, because that was your first class, all of them did not write the notes on that day. And I had already mentioned that the next class, that is today, is the second class for us. Second class, when you come, we will revise from the beginning. Okay? So even though if you have written the notes, that's okay, fine. Okay? If you've written the notes, well and very good. But don't disturb others, those who are writing. Let them write. If you already have the notes with you, that's okay, fine. Just check out the notes if you have left something which you haven't written on that day. Okay? Don't start talking all together in one row. You have to, as sir also told us, don't ask unnecessary questions and don't disturb also. Okay? So be careful. So everybody, just raise your hand and tell me that everybody has done or not.
Ma'am, can you say which page in workbook is the heading?
There's the page number 5.
Ma'am,
Page number-
words in English there?
Yes, yes. But you don't have to write down all that words in English and all. You just have to write down worksheet 1, parts of speech. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
Because we have got a lot of things there. Give the examples of each of the following. We haven't finished that. We have to go thorough with everything and then only we will be able to write down the examples. Okay? So don't write anything. Please be careful, children. Don't write anything in the workbook. We still have got to practice a lot, many things. Then only we'll come to the workbook. Okay, now. Now everybody has finished, I hope so.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we'll start with the first one. Which is the first one?
Noun.
Noun.
Noun is a very easy. Noun is a very easy topic. I mean, since it's being a part of the speech, we cannot skip it, even though we know it very well. But we'll still go with it. Okay. So noun. So just write down number 1.
Ma'am, nouns are okay.
So what is noun? I'll ask Manjima. Manjima will tell me.
Ma'am, it is the name of places, animals, names,
Or anything.
person, and thing.
Name of person, place, animal, thing. We used to play a game also. Have you ever played? Name of person, place, animal, thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Play,
ma'am.
in a group with friends we have played. That anybody will tell one letter from the alphabet, and from that same letter we would write down the name of the
Yes.
person, place, animal, and thing. It's a very fun game, right? So that is what noun is. So we'll just we don't have to go that deep. Is there anybody who doesn't know what is noun?
No.
Everybody knows it, right? So we'll just write down the definition of noun. So it is the name of the person, place, animal, or thing. Now, for example, now when we say person, it can be any person. It can be a name of a person. Yes.
Those who have written the noun and the meaning of the noun, we should not write.
You just go through the notes. If you have written something, that's okay. You don't have to write. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, I'm not going to tell you the answers. I want you to write down. When I say the person, okay, write down 3 names of person. It can be your friend's name. It can be any name of leaders. So write down of your own. You can write down of your own 3 names you have to write down. Riza, are you writing? So write down 3 names. 3 names, whichever you like. Write down. Then after person, place. Write down any 3 places. It can be a historical place, or it can be a place where people are served, like we got hospital, like that. Places are there. It can be the name of a country. It can be name of a state. It can be a name of a city, whichever you want to write. So these are the places. So write any 3 names of the places. Okay. Then we'll come to animal. And then thing. So write any names of any 3 animals. It can be water animals, land animals. You can write whichever you want, as well as 3 names of things. You don't have to think so much. You can just look around your, wherever you're sitting in your room itself, you'll find out many things. So write down any names, any 3 names that you see around yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you please share the board again?
You have to be little fast in your handwriting. Okay? Because
Excuse
I'm
me,
not-
ma'am.
Yeah.
I joined now because of the network issue.
May I know who's that?
Nainiga.
Nainika, you had been there. I saw you. What happened? Some network issue was there.
Now there. Yes.
Okay. So I'll share the screen once again, but I want to get the examples from you. So I'll be asking. So I'm giving you 1 more minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, those who have done, they have raised their hands. Riza, have you done? Yes, be fast, be fast. Izan? Izan, have you finished? Izan, can you just unmute the audio, please? Yes. The work is done?
Yes.
Okay, then I want Izan to answer my question. Give me names of any 3 person.
Izan,
Yes.
Russell,
Okay.
and Glenn.
Have you written that in the notebook?
Yes.
Okay. So it is Izan. Then we have got,
Good morning, ma'am.
yes, my dear Asghar, and Glenn. Okay. Then I want Niranjan to answer. Tell me 3 names of places.
Trishur,
Trishur,
Ernakulam,
Ernakulam,
police station.
police station. Now, can you tell me the spelling of Ernakulam?
ERNAKULAM.
Very good. So, Niranjan has told us 3 places. Trishur, then Ernakulam, and what was the other one? Trishur, Ernakulam, and
Police station.
Okay.
Police station.
Police station. Okay, fine. So that is also a place. So name of things, name of the animal you can write down: ants. Okay, ants, bird, or elephant. Then things you can write down: box, mango, and laptop.
Ma'am, it is 5B class.
This is not 5B class. We are going to end up the class now. So children, this is the notes what we have done today. Next time when we'll come, we'll do the we will do the next topic. Okay. So till then, thank you everyone for the class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. See you next
Bye.
time.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye. Take care,
Thank
everyone.
you,
Yes, yes.
ma'am.
Bye.